sharp exchange in the Lok Sabha, leader of opposition party Rahul Gandhi accused the government of repeatedly preventing him from speaking on key national issues during parliamentary proceedings. The remarks came during a debate on a resolution seeking the removal of Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla. Rahul Gandhi alleged that he had been stopped several times while attempting to raise important matters in the House, including issues related to Jeffrey Epstein, the alleged compromises involving Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and concerns related to former Army Chief Naravane. During the debate, Rahul Gandhi claimed that each time he stood up to speak in Parliament, he was interrupted and prevented from presenting his arguments. He also alleged that for the first time in India's parliamentary history, a leader of opposition was not allowed to speak during a debate in the Lok Sabha. The situation led to a heated exchange with senior BJP leader Ravi Shankar Prasad, who reminded the opposition leader about parliamentary procedures and advised him to be careful while making statements, especially on issues related to national security. Responding to the remarks, Rahul Gandhi said his name was repeatedly mentioned during the debate and that accusations were being made against him without giving him the opportunity to respond. Meanwhile, Congress Deputy Leader in the Lok Sabha, Gaurav Gogoi, also criticized the government, saying it had created a constitutional vacuum by failing to elect a Deputy Speaker of the Lok Sabha. He argued that neutrality in Parliament should not remain a mere procedural formality and that justice must not only be done but also be seen to be done. Several other opposition members also voiced concerns during the debate. MPs including Abhay Kumar Sinha of the RJD, Vijay Kumar Hadstak of the JMM, the Bajrang Manohar Sanwani of the NCP claimed that they were frequently interrupted by Treasury bench members and that they were not receiving adequate protection from the chair during their speeches. The debate reflected rising tensions between the government and opposition benches in the Lok Sabha over parliamentary functioning and freedom to raise key issues.